So you've been told that you have scoliosis by your healthcare practitioner, but they didn't really tell you what to do about it? They didn't tell you how to manage it, or really how to improve it? Could you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell so you're notified of all of our content that comes out? We put out content on physical therapy, Pilates, gyrotonic exercises, as well as all health and wellness ideas. Would love to have you a part of the team watching. So what stretches are there for scoliosis to help my back pain? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know what you need to do first before going out on YouTube and searching and doing random exercises and stretches that you find there. My name's Stephen Dunn. I'm a holistic physical therapist, and I've helped hundreds and hundreds of patients over my 23 plus year career as a physical therapist, and I can't wait to teach you as well. So do scoliosis stretches help with my back pain? Well, the answer there is it depends. Again, I mentioned this earlier, if you just are doing random exercises off the internet with no intentional purpose, then the chances are that there's not gonna help you. But the first thing you should do, and the most important thing, is to be evaluated by a physical therapist. Yes, your doctor is probably the person that's to let you know that you have scoliosis, or maybe that nurse found it in school when you were doing the bend over test to touch your toes. I don't even know if they still do that, but when I was a kid, we did that every year. But someone along the line has told you that you have scoliosis. Now, what do you do about it? Well, the first thing you need to do, again, is get evaluated by a physical therapist so that they can determine where you're tight, where you're stiff, where you're strong, where you're weak, and where your imbalances are from the scoliosis. And then an individualized plan can be determined, and that's where you'll have specific stretches and exercises to improve your scoliosis that are designed for you, that are based on your curve and where your imbalances are. Again, random videos on YouTube showing you what to do without an evaluation may be doing more harm than good. So comment below and tell me what you learned with this simple video. And now, could you do me a favor and go visit Amazon or my website and download my book on back pain. It's called Retrain the Brain to Solve Back Pain. This book is designed for anyone with back pain, not just scoliosis, but it's a great place to start. It is not an evaluation by a physical therapist, but it is a great place to start to improve the things you need to improve. So with that said, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon.